Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where you get the error Windows doesn't have a network profile for this device, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the drivers. So which drivers? Search for device manager and open the device manager. Now let's say that you encounter this problem while connecting printers, scanners or cameras, then you will have to update specific drivers for those hardware products. For example, if it's a camera, then expand the camera drivers and find the external camera driver and update it. So here's what happens when you update it. It basically picks up the correct drivers, because there can be a conflict if they're sending their own drivers. The next one is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. The command is msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic. Copy it, press the Windows key and the R button together, paste it, and then hit enter. And then it will open the network and hardware and devices troubleshooter. Click on next, and then it will start detecting problems. Now, some may ask, why didn't I run the hardware troubleshooter? Because, the network troubleshooter, because the issue is not with the network, it is with the hardware. And lastly, allow your PC to be discoverable. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Then select Wi-Fi. Then select the specific Wi-Fi and then select private network. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.